Cemevi, the house of worship for Turkey's Alevi religious minority, when he was hit in the cheek and jaw by a bullet fired by the police. He was then rushed to Ok Meydan Research Hospital. Mr. Kurt died from his wounds after doctors at Ok Meydan Research Hospital in central Istanbul had performed surgery in an effort to save his life, officials said. Hundreds of demonstrators staged a sit-in outside the hospital chanting, "Murderous state has taken another life." A weekly protest is organised by students in front of a local school since March to commemorate Berkin Elvan, who died after being hit by tear gas canister during Gezi protests. On Thursday, the students again gathered bearing protesters commemorating Berkin Elvan and 301 miners who lost their lives at the miner massacre in Soma, western Turkey. The police attacked students using water cannon and tear gas. During clashes, Turkish police opened fire and hit Orkut in the head. Clashes in the neighborhood grew after police critically wounded Orkut. Riot police forces are heavily attacking demonstrators, firing tear gas and water cannons, while the people responding to the police attack with stones and petrol bombs. People started a sit-in on the Derulajaze Avenue as police forces have started to withdraw from the neighborhood upon the strong reaction displayed by the local people against the police brutality. We, Union of Democratic Forces in Britain, protest and condemn the brutality of Turkish fascist regime that continues to kill people. Dozens of people, including teenagers, bombarded and killed by warplanes of the regime in Roboski, Kurdistan. Turkish police killed protesters during Gezi protests last year. Turkish state also caused the death of 301 miners by creating the deteriorating working conditions. We thereby call upon the progressive forces in Britain to condemn Turkish regime and show solidarity with the people in movements in Turkey and Kurdistan. Union of Democratic Forces, Britain.
Stop state terror in Turkey!
Stop state terror in Turkey! Stop state terror!